So this is a set of building plan, right? See how thick it is? It's about 70 pages, right? 70 pages. And took a decent amount of time to really prepare them. Every single aspect of the project we went through. You name it, whatever area within the building, went through and did details for it, right? Engineer also went through, did his thing. I and my team went through, check, review, back and forth with the client, right? And we're now at the point where we're going to submit our drawings to the parish council. Let me give you a little gem, all right? These are a lot of drawings, but there's a note on the drawing. Drawings are diagrammatic and do not show all items required, right? Contractor is to provide all necessary or all materials necessary for installation and for a complete building. What does that mean? Simply means when you prepare a set of drawings, do not get rid of your designer. All right? Do not get rid of your designer. During your construction phase, during the construction process, you need your designer to provide information, because there's no way that your drawings will pick up every single thing. You should spend as much time as possible during the design phase working out any little kinks, any little anything that you'd want to change. You would want those changes during the preparation of your construction drawings. And during the construction, you're really, how do I put this? So when you are designing, you're designing based on what should be done, right? Now, when you go on site, there are different conditions. You may break ground and you realize that in the ground, it's very rocky. There's a huge boulder at where your foundation is supposed to be, and you or your designer wanted you to have a column at a particular location, or whatever it may be. Maybe you were putting a water tank at a certain location, and once you start excavating, there's a boulder at that position, right? In the ground, you buck up on rock. Your designer at this point will need to go and revise the drawings to make these adjustments so that your building can work. So it simply means after you have gotten your approval, after you have done your drawings and have gotten it approved, you have done your bill of quantities and you now start working, do not get rid of your designer. Keep your designer on your project, right? And during the project, he should be inspecting to make sure that your construction is according to your design, right? And whatever changes that needs to be made is done on your drawing, and then you send it back to the site, right? If you notice, I don't have a script. I don't write a script. I don't want to tell you things where I sit down and write to make it politically correct. I'm talking to you one-on-one. I'm talking to you, what did I say? Me a hold a vibe with you. Zine, me a hold a medi with you. Don't get rid of your design. It's a bad idea, right? Why? Because you want that level of, what did I say? Responsiveness, or you want that, what's the word? You want to be in a position where if there is something on site that was not considered during the design phase, right, and during the construction drawing preparation, your designer can then update your drawing to reflect it and to make sure that everything is okay with your building. So it is important, all right? That's my little gem for today, right? I'm trying to give you guys information that is very important to know. I don't want to just give you information all over the place, right? It's about helping you to understand and move through the construction process as easy as possible. All right, so I'm AJAWI. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I make videos just like this one.
Building your dream home should be an exciting and fulfilling experience. But we understand the stress and challenges that often accompany construction projects. At AJAWI Limited, we believe that designing and building your home should be stress-free. Our goal is to eliminate that stress by delivering your projects within budget while exceeding your expectations. What sets us apart is our comprehensive one-stop-shop solution. From design to construction, we handle every aspect of your residential project, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Throughout the entire process, we maintain complete transparency. You'll receive real-time updates, allowing you to stay informed and involved every step of the way. With advanced technologies like 360-degree video site inspection, drone survey, and building information modeling, we bridge the distance. Even if you're miles away, we make it as if you're right here in Jamaica. Don't let distance or stress hinder your dream of a perfect home. Contact AJAWI Limited today at 876-312-6036 and take the first step towards making your dream home a reality. AJAWI Limited, your trusted partner in building dreams.